Ladies and gentlemen, we are in 1992 Nissan Skyline GTR, and this is actually my first time driving a right-hand drive car from Japan, so I'm pretty stoked, man. Like, I've been a fan of the Nissan Skyline GTR ever since Gran Turismo, so like this is like an honor, man. Like, I thank Dave for trusting me with this baby, because like who would let you drive their GTR? Like, seriously, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so we're in the GTR, and my first initial take on this car is it's fucking awesome, you know. So I'm just I'm at a loss as you can tell. I'm at a loss for words. It's an awesome car. As you guys know, it's an RB26, you know, it's twin turbo, and this car has about 500 horsepower, and you guys can hear the the backfires. So I'm just gonna get on it just a little bit. Pretty awesome, right? Yeah, so this is my first time driving, and like I said, right-hand drive car, and I know I'm saying a lot. I'm just in awe because I'm fucking stoked right now, because I'm in a GTR R32 GTR, and I'm a little geeked up right now, to be honest. So, you know, yeah, man. So as you guys can see, this car's got some carbon fiber pieces, and very clean, very clean build right here that Dave has done. I don't know exactly what how much he's invested in this car, but what I can say, it's definitely a pretty penny. And man, like, if you guys are looking to, you know, build a GTR, I will leave, or buy a GTR, I will leave a link down in the description, because I have a guy that imports cars. It's a business. He imports cars. So if you guys are looking to get in something like this, I will leave that link down in the description below, and you can contact them there. One of my buddy Joel over at Tuner HQ. So that's who does that. But like I said, this man, you basically just got to be like here to like experience it. Like, I can't even put it into words, like how amazing this car is. It's just fucking awesome, man. So yeah, just gonna do some downshifts. Now, as you guys can hear those backfires right back there, you know. Getting ready to do a little pull here. And it's a shame, man, because I lived in Japan for 3 years. I failed to get my driver's license, and I failed to be able to drive a GTR. So that was a failure on my part, man. But yeah, this, like I said, this car is absolutely amazing. I'm in it by myself right now. When I go back and get the owner, we're gonna, you know, talk a little bit more in depth about the specs and, like, you know, just some raw details about the car, because I don't know that much about the car. I've only seen it a few times around town. This is like probably like the cleanest R32 in the Central Valley as far as I'm concerned, man. It's, as you guys can see, you know, on Brembos, you know, Nismo wheels, you know, the ones that everybody wants are probably hella expensive. But yeah, man, that's just you know, a few specs of this car. You know, valve and those pops. Oh, crazy. I've never done anything like this before, man. Never done a GTR before, man. So awesome, man. So, okay, now basically what we're about to do, we're about to hop back in, get Dave back up in here, give him his car back, so he can basically just give you guys a better rundown about the car. Yeah, he's got really bad brake school. He's got race pads on here. All right, guys, so we're back in Dave's GTR, R32 GTR. I don't know why I keep saying GTR, but yeah, if you just want to elaborate a little bit, you know, tell us any mods that you got. Yeah, just tell us a little bit about the car.
Yeah, I got the car when I was stationed in Japan, 2015. Got new cams, turbos, HS GTSS. Bought a brand new tranny before I left. Figure, you know, it's old, it's probably gonna go take a shit when I get here in the US. So I'm like, alright, fuck it, I'm in Japan. Parts are cheaper here, might as well. So far I've put on about 25,000 kilometers on it. Just been running strong, haven't had any problems with her. Got a brake kit. The front brakes are from F40 Ferraris, Brembos. The rear brakes are from R33 GTR. So I just rebuilt it, got it painted. Just got it tuned last month. Running low boost, running 16 pounds at 436. High boost, I'm running at 23 pounds at 523. Don't really try on pushing the car since parts are hard to come by.
Yeah,
but
sure.
I mean, I'm happy where I'm at. The car looks great, I think.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
Besides that, man, it's been a eye-opener. It's just anything. I've learned everything on this car. Back then, I just, you know the basics on cars. Then I got into this whole GTR thing going on, and I started upgrading, started reading more into it. Yeah,
that's awesome. Well, you guys heard it. You know, you guys got a full rundown on the car. Like I said before, it was pretty awesome driving. It's my first time in a Nissan Skyline. My first time driving a Nissan Skyline, something that was right-hand drive. So, a lot of firsts. pretty awesome. And like, if you never driven anything right-hand drive before, it's basically the same. You know, instead of doing blinkers with your left hand, you're doing blinkers with your right hand. Clutch pedals are the same. You're just shifting with your left hand. I hopped right in. Like I said, I've never driven anything right-hand drive before. Hopped right in and just, you know, I just drove it like it was nothing. So that's pretty much going to be it for this review of the Nissan Skyline R32. If you guys like this type of content, please give me a like, give me some comments, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications every time I upload a video like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video. Peace.